me and your favorite Cane Corso service dog, Stormie Doo, coming to you out of Beaufort, South Carolina, and the Sands Beach right here behind us, down in Port Royal, South Carolina. Well, I wanted to start by a lot of people on Facebook. I've been sending comments about them and advising them to use e-collar training for their pups, and I think it's highly efficient, highly successful. I've used it with Stormie since she was a pup, and I'm definitely pro e-collar for everybody that needs to do it. If you feel like you need any extra tips or anything, let us know. Drop a comment down below in the comment section and let me know what I can do. We're also on Instagram, we're also on Facebook. You can do Stormie Doo's Facebook page, and that way I can get the message and try and, if I can't give you the best information that I have, I'll at least put you on somebody that can give you that good information. Storm's over here playing in the grass right behind me. It's hard to see a little bit, it's first time over here. Do me a favor, leave a like, subscribe for me, and leave those comments in the description box for us. That way I know how to help you, you know? Or like I said, message us on our Instagram account or on our Facebook page. Well guys, I'm gonna get Stormie out here, and like I said, at the end of this video, I'm gonna go ahead and teach somebody how to use place via the e-collar. Another thing real fast, for description purposes, in my description I have the Amazon link to the e-collar that we use. It's only like $35, $30. Please feel free to use that. Go down to our description page, buy it via the Amazon link down there, and support us. Thanks a lot, guys.
I see a light in your eyes. I follow you so damn foolishly. You'd be the sweetest goodbye. Give me a heart trip exclusively. Take one step like this song in my head. It makes sense if you jump in my bed. I see the truth in your smile. I gotta swim to the I love you. We don't wanna spend this night alone. Messed up, I'm gonna walk you home. You'd feel the gravity of my heart. If I could, I would give you the moon. Say stop if I'm coming in too soon. Colliding like celestial bodies. Oh, oh. Celestial bodies. Celestial bodies. Oh, oh. Celestial bodies. Celestial bodies. Oh, oh. Inside your heart lies a pearl. Within the smoke, our dreams reveal. We're not a part of this world. I'd call you Venus, 'cause that's how I feel. Take one step like this song in my head. It makes sense if you jump in my bed. I see the truth in your smile. I gotta swim to the I love you. We don't wanna spend this night alone. Messed up, I'm gonna walk you home. You'd feel the gravity of my heart. If I could, I would give you the moon. Say stop if I'm coming in too soon. Colliding like celestial bodies. Oh, oh. Celestial bodies. Celestial bodies. Oh, oh. Celestial bodies. Celestial bodies. Oh, oh. Celestial bodies. Celestial bodies. or not, there is a moment meant for us. And now you made it, but I already played this. Not interested, open your eyes, let's get it done. Take my hand, just follow me. Shadow and me are one.
We're going to go over how I give Storm a bath. We just got back from the sands and I wanted to show everybody, as I did it in real time, she's got her football in her mouth, as you can see. But I want to go over things I use. I got these gloves, you can get them off Amazon. They got the little bumps in them. I'm not sure if you can see that or not. But the bumps are good for getting off all the extra hair, and it also massages the dog. And then, you know, pretty much simple, whatever soap, you know, basic soap. Come here, hold on, I'm gonna stay. And got my towels back here, but you know, we gotta get the dog wet first. Come on, give me sit. Good girl. Come here. Give me sit. Good girl. Come on. Usually I do this in my shower, but it's getting reconstructed. It's a lot easier in there. All right. Let's go ahead and get our gloves on. She knows what that means. That's why I wore swimming trunks. I've got to wash her once a week. Hold on, Storm. Stormie Doo, get in the pool. Come on, get in the pool. Good girl. Jumping in and out. Get some of that right there. I'm gonna get in the pool with her for this. Might make her a little happy. Get her good. See, it feels good to them, but at the same time, it gets some of that excess hair off. You gotta get in there and get a good scrub. Make sure you get everywhere. I'll show you what the water looks like when we're done. All right, so. All right, Stormie, stay. Get the water hose and we're almost done. Pretty simple, stay. Storm. No. Stay there. Yep. I know. Alrighty. Well, from here, I'm gonna go dry her. All right, now that we got the collar on Stormie Doo, we're gonna go on to the next step. So, in order to start training a dog to go to its place via e-collar, first, you need to have an e-collar. Like I said, got ours off Amazon, about $30. Goes all the way up to 100. Like I said, I don't go past 23, fully charged. And then of course, we always got to have a bag of treats. Always need to give positive reinforcement. All right, now let's get to the nitty-gritty on seeing how this works exactly. So the next step's going to be, for training purposes only, I'm going to use the vibrate button, but to say what you want her to do, as in to go to her place. So I'm going to go tell her to go to her place, and then I'm going to apply pressure, again, using the vibrate button, this for time only, until she goes to the correct place. Go to their place. So she is now in her place. Good place. Good place. Give her a high praise, and then also give her a treat. Good praise. Good place. That's a good place, Storm. And then give her the release command. Allez. There she goes. We hope you enjoyed everything, and I hope the training tips work out. Like I said before, to those that have reached out, leave a message on Facebook on Stormie Doo's page, or Instagram us. I will make sure you get some information, or please comment here on the YouTube section down below. I'm not read minds. I can only help what I know. Not only that, I can only help who asks for help and how they need to be helped. So thank you again. Adios.